Hi, I'm Ray. Well, I'm in the greenhouse today and I've got a grow bag. And this is a grow bag that we picked up from a supermarket, around about £3 or £4. This is a bigger size than the actual normal one. And this has seaweed enriched for fruit for formation and calcium rich to prevent blossom end rot, and feeds for up to 6 weeks. So as we can see on our packet, we've got 3 holes to cut out. And the normal way of sowing in grow bags is to lay it flat. We cut out 3 holes and we put our tomato plant in each of the hole and job done. But tomato plants need to be grown really deep, and there is a way of using a grow bag to get your tomatoes deep. Well, I've got 2 tomato plants that could do with potting on. So with using the bags in a traditional way, one way to get a nice deep root is to use a flower pot. Remove the bottom, add the flower pot onto each section. We add the tomato plant inside the bottomless, and all the stem will benefit from a deeper pot into the grow bag. But we're not messing about with cutting up pots. What we are going to do, we've got our grow bag, we're going to chuck halfway along, and we're just going to cut it in half. So we have 2 halves. And then we're going to make it so it stands up on its own. We're going to make a few holes at the bottom of the bag to allow some drainage. And then we're going to take a tomato plant and we're going to plant it straight in on the top of the bag, just like so. So that's going to give it lots of space, lots of room for the roots to grow down. We could put this on a tray, and to make it stable we could add a couple of bricks either side, but that'd be fine. We can add a cane in the greenhouse, and we'll do the same with this one. Quick and easy. Some water. And that's 2 tomato plants planted. Quick and easy. So here we go. job done. 2 tomatoes planted in a nice deep pot. We can add a cane when they get a bit taller, and it gives them a nice deep root. Great, good job done. So let me know in the comments, do you grow your tomato plants in grow bags? Do you do them the traditional method, or have you tried them this way? Be interesting to hear, and leave me a comment which way you decide to do it. So I'm looking forward to watching these grow. I'm looking forward to some lovely tomatoes. So if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more videos. So thank you very much. Cheers.